today's video, we are going to be unboxing our November Eyescream Beauty Box. You guys, this has quickly become one of my favorite subscriptions because they're crazy affordable, but you get a bunch of really great products in here. So before we jump into the unboxing, the information, all of that fun stuff, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here, friends, we always embrace the hot mess. Your girl's a rambler, I'm a chatter, and you never know what you're gonna get. Because fortunately, it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, play makeup, talk about makeup, and just have a good old time uplifting each other. So hopefully decide to stick around, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. I upload all the time over here. I've gone back to Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern time, and then Saturdays and Sundays at 9 p.m. So there's always something to watch. And then I do have a second channel that I upload Tuesdays and Thursdays at 9 p.m. Hotmess Momma Vlogs, and Haley has a channel as well. And then of course, I'm still nagging you guys to follow me over on Instagram. So please go follow your girl over on Instagram so we can get that 10K, because we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're like 1,700 away, but we're gonna do it by the end of 2020, because why not? Okay guys, let's talk a little information and get into the unboxing of the November Eyescream Beauty Box. Okay guys, so getting right into a little information about the Eyescream Beauty Box. Now I'm on Cratejoy where I am reading this, and it does say that this box, they have plans as low as $20 a month. When it says things like that, that just tells me that the longer you sign up, the more months you sign up for this, the less you're going to pay. Very similar to like Ipsy, BoxyCharm, Glossy Boxy, like you see that all the time with subscription boxes. So a little information about it says all boxes are shipped by the 15th of every month. Shipping times vary based on location, but typically take between 2 to 5 business days. Order by the end of the month to receive your current box. The first box is shipped within a week of subscribing. If you have any questions, feel free to contact them, and you will receive monthly selection of 5 to 7 makeup and skincare products. This is a makeup lover's dream. Get ready to try new and amazing products every single month. We include 5 to 7 items every month. This includes tools, makeup, and skincare items, and receive a palette in every box. So, like I said, to me, this is a very affordable box, and you get a lot of really good items. So this is what the box has been looking like every month that I've received it. It's in like a cute little, I don't know the word that I was thinking. I don't know what it's called. Geographic? No. Geometric, I think. I don't know. It's been a long day. Okay, so jumping right into the box, they always have these cute little like paper wormy thingies. The first item I see in here is by South Main. This is the lip gel pad thingies. There's a set of 3. It softens, moisturizes, and plumps. I think there's a card too, and I got overexcited. You know me, I ripped through this. So you do get a pack of 3 of these. These are so fun. Like, these are so fun. This is like the quietest I ever am is when I have these on. I think my kids and my husband really enjoy when I do a lip mask. They're like, we don't hear her, thank you Jesus. Let me look for the card in here. Typically there's a card, but I opened it upside down again. Okay, so like I said, this is the November box, and you do get a little piece of paper in here that tells you everything that is in the box and the retail value of everything. So these have a retail value of $10 for these lip gels. The next item in here is, it says Mirabella? What is these? Correct, Mirabella finishing powder. So this is what it looks like in the box. Ooh. Have I ever gotten this brand before? How pretty is that? Oh, I have to touch it. No smell. What does that do? Oh, it just blends away. It's like a translucent powder. Let's put some on. Let's put some on. Is it like a finishing powder? I don't know. I mean, it's pretty. It's neat. Do you guys see it do anything? I don't know. I mean, it definitely took down some of my shine. I definitely had a lot of shine happening. I have my what is it, my Pat McGrath foundation on, where I feel like it's definitely more of like a natural glowy foundation, so it did take down some of my shine. So maybe this is like a really good blotting type of powder. I don't know, but I'm not mad about it. It's really pretty. Like, it's like a flower of different colors in there. Like, oh, how nice is that? So this, it says Mirabella Perfect Correcting Finishing Powder. So there we go. Has a retail value of $32. Now, I don't know much about this brand or this company, but I'm not mad about this powder. That's pretty, it was nice. I mean, you guys did see it took away the shine. The next item I see in here is the Contour Sticks Trio. Who is this by? Be a Bombshell. So it's boxed up and you've got 3 different shades here. And this does have a retail value of $16. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? So they're little contour sticks. I don't think I'll use this one probably, but I would definitely use these. I wish I had gotten this box before I had done some of my BoxyCharm shopping. So, because I bought a contour stick over there. So this is nice, like kind of bronze type of contour stick. So not mad about that. That's pretty cute. They do feel nice and creamy as far as that goes. The next item I see in here, there's a lot of stuff in here, guys. The next item in here is by Mirabella again. This is the brow, and this is a tinted brow shaper. Ooh, okay. This has a retail value of $20. What is this? Oh, okay, so maybe it's a brow gel? Oh yeah, and it's actually a shade that I can use. Kind of, and you know what, guys, with these things as well, one thing that I do occasionally is I'll take like a brow, not that, hold on, a brow brush, and I will use it as a pomade as well. If you don't, like, you want little tiny hair strokes in there, you know I love to multitask my products, guys. So you could take this and you could put little hairline strokes in the front of your brow if you want, or you could just go ahead and, like, you know, do the wand or what have you. So that's the next item in here, and I find it. Oh my gosh, there's 2 more products. 2 more products. Okay, so the next item I see in here, oh, this is by Hikari again, and this is a really pretty blush. It's like a mulberry type of color. I'm not going to open this because I do have a very similar shade already. By the way, I'm sitting by a window and the sun is going in and out, so lighting is going to be kind of goofy. So this has a retail value of $20, and you guys actually told me about Hikari, and I've actually really been enjoying their products. The next item in here is by Go-To Beauty, and it says Seduction. Now this I never heard of. Have I? I don't think I've heard of this before. Let's see here. Wait, is this? This reminds me of like Copycat Beauty. This is pretty. It's a very pumpkin-y type of shadow palette. This is pretty. Am I right or am I right? Am I right? I don't know. I feel like this was Copycat Beauty before, but I don't, maybe not, maybe not, maybe not. Maybe I'm just thinking. No, on the back it says Go-To Beauty. So maybe I'm just confused and they look similar. I don't really know. So, but I will say this is a really pretty palette, but I already know that I have one very, very similar to this. I want to say from like Ace Beauté or something. So I'm going to actually put this one in a giveaway for you guys because I'm not stingy. I like to share. So anyways, that is everything in this box, and like I said, you can get this box for as low as $20 a month. And I always find that we get some really good products in here. I don't think I'm going to be able to contour with these, but I think I could definitely use them as a bronzer, a cream bronzer, so that's not a bad thing. What are you guys' thoughts on this? And oh my gosh, this is going nowhere. That's a good brow gel. We like that. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below as far as this box goes. And does everybody get the same palette? I'm not for sure. I want to say they do. Let me know if you guys know that as well. So anyways, guys, that's all for today's video. If you guys are interested in signing up, I will leave a link down below for you guys to go ahead and do so. Make sure to follow me over on my Instagram because there will be a giveaway if it's not already up. Going up very, very soon. We just had one end. I was waiting for that to end before I could pop up another giveaway. So it's just easier for my brain. If I have too many going on, then I'm like, help, I cannot. Anyways, guys, don't forget to follow me on my second channel and check Hailey's channel out. And of course, check me out over on Instagram. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye, guys.